Hello and welcome to Topper's Corner. I am Dr. Dinesh Nagpal, Chief Mentor, Career Coach. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं ये जो शो है टॉपर्स कॉर्नर, यहाँ पे हम उन बच्चों को, उन छात्रों को, स्टूडेंट्स को इनवाइट करते हैं जो किसी न किसी बड़े कॉलेज में, देश के किसी बड़े कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं। तो मैनेजमेंट के फील्ड में हो सकते हैं, लॉ के फील्ड में हो सकते हैं, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट में हो सकते हैं, नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी में हो सकते हैं, और यूबीएस चंडीगढ़ में हो सकते हैं, या किसी भी बड़े कॉलेज में कोई प्रोफेशनल कोर्स करें। हम उनसे बातचीत करते हैं। वी ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि उन्होंने जो करियर चूज किया मैनेजमेंट का, लॉ का, या कोई मास कॉम मैनेजमेंट, तो ऐसा क्यों किया, क्या उसके पीछे रीजंस थे, क्या उनको फायदा आ रहा है, क्या वो करियर देखते हैं। एंड ऑल्सो जब हम उनसे बात करते हैं तो हम यू विल बी एक्चुअली एबल टू सी देम ऑल्सो कि वो बच्चे एकदम नॉर्मल फैमिली से हैं एंड स्टिल दे हैव मेड इट वेरी गुड। तो इससे पहले कि मैं आज के जो हमारे टॉपर है उनसे आपकी मुलाकात कराऊं, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, इसको बेल जो बटन लगा, आइकन लगा, उसको दबा दें, ताकि आपको हर इंटरव्यू की या हर नए पढ़ाई से रिलेटेड वीडियो की हमारी नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। एंड ऑल्सो शेयर द इंटरव्यू एज मच एज पॉसिबल सो दैट more and more people can benefit. So we have with us today Rajat Kumar. रजत इस समय सेकेंड ईयर में जाने वाले हैं यूनिवर्सिटी बिजनेस स्कूल ऑफ चंडीगढ़ में। मैं ज्यादा उनके बारे में बात नहीं करूंगा, वो खुद ही अपने बारे में बताएंगे। रजत, वेलकम टू द शो, वेलकम टू टॉपर्स कॉर्नर।
Thank you so much, sir. It's very much pleasure being here. I believe it's really a very good initiative for the upcoming MBA students or any of the law students. They would know how we had done and they would improve themselves to go up on there.
So
Thank
Rajat,
you so much.
before we go ahead, may I request that instead of me briefing about you, आप ये बताइए your schooling, your college, your family background, just share a little bit with our audience.
Hello, everyone. I am Rajat Kumar, and as usual, I belong to a normal middle class family with no agriculture background. And since I have done my graduation in agriculture, you all must be thinking that why I would have taken a decision to do MBA. Sir have told you I'm in University Business School, which is a general MBA college, none of the less than any of the agriculture college, but still it's an MBA, general MBA college. So basically, what I thought was agriculture was a stream where
So
I had
the
my
schooling, just tell your schooling, college and your
okay,
family,
sir.
तो family में कौन-कौन है क्या?
Okay, sir. So I have a family of four, where my father is a government employee who works in electricity board. My sister is also a manager in one of the very renowned national banks. My mother is a homemaker, and I, being an agriculture student, have pursued my graduation as well as my schooling from Hisar itself. I was in 10 up to 10th class. I was in Holy Angel School. Everybody in the Hisar must know that. And secondly, I did my 11th and 12th in the stream of PCB, physics, maths, and physics, chemistry, PCB, physics, chemistry, and biology from campus school. That is also situated in the university, CCS Haryana Agriculture University, where I have talked that I have done my graduation from. After that, I am pursuing MBA from University Business School. This is
You
all
did your,
about my.
yeah, you did your BSc Agriculture honors 4 years from HAU, right?
Yes, sir.
Rajat, एक बहुत this is a very interesting question that in fact, a very oftenly asked question that comes to my mind right now. When I meet a lot of BSc Agriculture students, तो जनरली मैंने नोटिस किया उनका सीन ये रहता है कि सर बैंक में नौकरी मिल जाएगी एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसर के लिए, या सर एमएससी कर लेंगे किसी डिसिप्लिन में। इट्स वेरी फ्यू नंबर, जो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स है लुकिंग फॉर एमबीए अपीयरिंग इन कैट, वो बहुत कम होता है। सो व्हाई डिड यू नॉट टेक दी रिपीटेड रूट जिसमें आपको नौकरी मिल सकती थी सरकारी बहुत अच्छी, ग्रेजुएशन के बाद आपको एमएससी करने के, पीएचडी करके यूनिवर्सिटी में कहीं जॉब मिल सकता था। व्हाई एमबीए, व्हाई नॉट दी रेगुलर एग्रीकल्चर डिग्री प्रोग्राम्स?
Sir, see, what do I believe is this the research part after the BSc Agriculture, like MSc, and the AO post, that really was a good choice. And normal person who does BSc Agriculture from HAU sees his future in that AO part or in the MSc research, after that PhD and professor. That is one kind of scope that this BSc Agriculture provides. But what I see is, first of all, my actual aim was not MBA. When I came to you, I told you, sir, I was thinking that it was a scope for me that I could do MBA. So I was with you, then you explained me the scope of market in the agriculture field, and that fascinated me actually, what BSc agriculture could do with MBA.
Yeah.
तो मैंने ये देखा कि एग्रीकल्चर को अगर मैं मार्केट के साथ कनेक्ट करूंगा, कि if we do the agri business part, if we see the agri business scope of the agriculture, that is also a very big scope. वहां पे भी आप अगर चाहें तो अपने कोई भी ड्रीम्स, अपना कोई भी फ्यूचर देख सकते हैं, आपकी अर्निंग्स अच्छी हैं, आपकी लर्निंग अच्छी है, आप अप टू डेट रहेंगे. एंड बीइंग एन एग्रीकल्चर स्टूडेंट, आई सी दैट एग्रीकल्चर इज वेरी prominently flourishing area this time in India, with people involved, 63% of the most people involved in the agriculture. So if you connect yourself with the market, like I am doing through the MBA course in the marketing from UBS, I see very bright future of me in learning and earning. That's why I chose MBA.
Absolutely, I agree with you. UBS वैसे भी बहुत University Business School is one of the oldest business schools in this country. The very reputed school, MBA college, management college, and it has a very strong alumni network. जो इन्होंने कहा मार्केट से अपने आप को कनेक्ट करने की बात, वो बहुत बहुत अच्छी बात है. And I think the way world is going, खासतौर से अभी हमने जैसे ये पैंडेमिक में भी देखा, I think agriculture is actually one sector which will grow like mad. आज ही जो support price announced में MSP announced किया, the prices of the crops have been will be one and a half times better than earlier. ओके, रजत, एक साल आपको यूबीएस चंडीगढ़ में हो गया, प्रेस्टिजियस कॉलेज में, बहुत रिप्यूटेड कॉलेज है, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी चंडीगढ़ का पार्ट है, चंडीगढ़ बहुत खूबसूरत शहर है, एवरीबॉडी नोज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल सिटीज इन द कंट्री. उसकी बात बाद में करेंगे चंडीगढ़ की. एक साल में एमबीए कॉलेज में, स्पेशली यूबीएस कॉलेज, व्हाट हैव यू लर्न इन टर्म्स ऑफ, in terms of extracurricular activities that is outside the books, and three, in terms of you becoming a better person, a smarter, confident person?
Definitely, sir. So first of all, as you have said that UBS have a legacy of 51 years and a great alumni base. So starting from the academics, after all, it is a post-graduation course. And what we can expect from a post-graduation course is very good faculty, very good study material. And as it is an MBA course, we have a lot of case studies. And case studies is a direct example of what is happening in the field or in the marketing. तो वहां से हमारी learning in academics has grown really high. So coming to the co-curricular part, what I believe is MBA is a direct name to interaction or the teamwork. So we have an environment where the students are given assignments, as well as we have to participate in some of the business quizzes, finance quizzes, मार्केटिंग क्विजेस. यहाँ से हमें क्या होता है कि जैसे अगर हम किसी और कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ मिल रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली वी आर गेटिंग अ लार्जर नेटवर्क, एंड इफ वी आर एक्सपोज्ड टू अ लार्जर नेटवर्क, आवर ब्रेन्स विल डेवलप मोर, बिकॉज every development of cells in the brain is related to the new idea coming, and as we are exposed to the new ideas, we will develop. Definitely we are going to develop more. So this kind of thing is related to what I feel in myself, the difference what I feel in myself. अभी हमने जो क्लास में लर्निंग की, उसके बाद हमारे यहाँ पे जैसे क्लास की लर्निंग के बाद काफी सारे गेस्ट लेक्चर्स होते हैं, जो कि अभी जैसे ये पेंडेमिक चल रहा है, तो दे हैव बीन कन्वर्टेड इनटू द वेबिनार्स, the similar kind of virtual talk with the very much great industrialists in the various companies. तो वो अपने ideas share करते हैं, they share their experiences and our past learning from the class. Definitely I don't see these kind of two things will not make a person more smarter what he was before.
Absolutely, very good, very good. So this is what I think Rajat has made a great point. New ideas, and new ideas come from exchange. Exchange means meeting newer people, different people, and definitely getting into. Now, Rajat, there's a talk about the MBA students. I was just talking to a student at IFT the other day, and he said, "Sir, कि थोड़ा placement में दिक्कत है और लगता है कि MBA का scope थोड़ा कम हो गया." Whereas I don't feel the same. What do you feel? देखो प्लेसमेंट इकोनॉमिक अप डाउन ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, बट यू फील थिंक दैट के पोस्ट कोरोना क्या एमबीए का रेलेवेंस कम हो जाएगा या बढ़ेगा?
Sir, what I see
When I
is
say
this.
MBA, I talk from top colleges like IIMs and UPS.
Sir, what I see is this depends basically on the sectors. Like there is an FMCG sector, there is a service sector which deals with the financial services, marketing services, any kind of services. There is one sector that I belong to, agriculture sectors. That totally depends on them. And if we talk this thing in journal, what I see that if you have been doing this your studies from a very top college, definitely an industry keeps that thing in mind. So you never fail, they never fail to take good students from that colleges. So if you are thinking that your MBA will not let you to be more earnings, or after this corona the MBA would not have much more relevance, then I believe at this point you are wrong. This totally depends on what type of college you are studying and what type of skills you have developed into your course.
Absolutely.
There's always a cream and there's always a scum. So if you are a cream, if you are working on yourself, if you have built up your skills, and definitely if you are into a good college, that's just an additional point after you have worked on yourself. There is no company, there is no HR that is not going to recruit you.
Great. Wonderful. Rajat, there are a lot of people who are going to, who are actually interested and keen in understanding, especially the agriculture students, what should be the preparation strategy, good preparation strategy for scoring high in CAT?
Sir, for an agriculture student or for a general student?
First for agriculture, then for
Okay. See, I being an agriculture student, I have not read about maths. I have not read about English because I was from a medical background. Then
Mhm.
I came to agriculture. So I had a 6 year back from the maths.
Mhm.
मैंने तो अपना मैथ्स कैसे improve किया? I was with Dinesh sir. Obviously, I was with Dinesh sir. This is not at all bragging, but he really had a good faculty. He that made a lot of interest of mine in the math subject. So that is how I made my maths good. There was various faculties there, Raju sir, JP sir, and he the mentor of mine who always encouraged that I could not lose my interest in maths. So I made my maths that way good. And for the English part, you will be always taught this thing by a teacher that reading makes your English better.
Yes.
You come to Dinesh sir, he can only help you in that. But if you read and read more, if you go with the vocabulary words, if you improve your English by yourself, that is the part how you can improve your English. And third thing is reasoning. That always depends on your mind. The more you practice for the maths, the more you involve in the reasoning. So the CAT subjects are really very easy. You need a little bit of motivation and support from your faculty. That's all. Nothing more can make you pro in maths,
Absolutely.
English,
I agree with
or
you.
reasoning.
And I think that the same goes for a general student also. It's not.
That same goes for the general students. Yes, the only advantage they have, if he's an engineer, he knows how to work their minds in the maths.
No, no,
This
that's
is the
true.
only thing.
Actually, engineers are definitely, especially the IITs and the our students at
Yes.
Tirani do very well in that because their quant and these skills are naturally because they do a lot. Anyway, Rajat, MBA is a degree which is actually very big. When you went to last 1 year of this, what has been your greatest learning? What you think is maybe one thing, two things. You think that has actually transformed you and it's the learning for life for you.
So see, I always had a dream that I should wear a suit and a boot and enter into office, but I really didn't know how to behave in that thing, how to behave in that attire. And the MBA college has really led me to transform in a person where now I know how to behave with my team, where I know that what is actually power and what is actually behavior of a person in the market. Second thing, what I majorly learned here is what is the difference between a boss and what is the difference between a leader. That I don't see if you are not into an MBA or
Yes.
not into a great post graduation college, you could understand that. Once you are working with your team, once you are working with your peers, And once you have lot of ideas bombarding your brains, lot of ideas bombarding your everything, then you learn how to handle them and how to manage a team like a leader rather than like a boss.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Great. I think that's wonderful. Last question of the day. जो आपने लीडर और बॉस की डिफरेंशिएशन कही, आई थिंक ये मैनेजमेंट लेसन आई might end up producing a video on this difference between a leader and a boss. Okay. Anyway, last question. वैसे आपने कुछ पार्ट का इसका जवाब दे दिया था. Where do you see our roles, your mentors, your faculties, in ensuring your success and reaching your goals?
Sir, see, this I can just tell on my personal behalf. I believe that my mentors, rather than I would say my teachers, because they were my guiders,
That's why I used it.
they guided me to the life. So they were the only one who actually made me into the MBA. Who were the one who made my interest into the MBA? I would have lost my motivation and my enthusiasm at any point. So I was with you or any of my faculty teacher who was teaching me maths or logical reasoning. They, rather than teaching me the skills, they motivated me to stay on the same path of learning. That's what I always see to be a mentor, and that's what I actually characterize in you also.
Right. Thank you, Rajat. It was very wonderful speaking to you. I think I'm really impressed the differentiation that you made about leadership and boss. जैसे मैंने बोला, it has given me an idea to produce a small video of this. I'll do some research and do it. So, Rajat, it was really great speaking to you. I actually thoroughly enjoyed doing your interview with you. And thank you so much. All the best for life. Uh, have a great life ahead, and I hope you do very well as after passing out from UBS. Thank you so much. Thanks for being on the show.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really a pleasure being with you again.
Thank you. Thank you.